Guys, done guys. Today my subject is I would like to give you a subject. Over that particular subject you have to speak in the GD round. Look, from the last 1 year, school is closed, but students are continuing their study. So the very basic question today is that whether school is needed or not. This is a very basic question because without schooling, students are continuing their study through tuition and through their self-study. Now the question is there any real importance of school? Because from the last 1 year, there is no schooling. But students are continuing their study. Yes, however, you can say that there is online classes going on through the school. But we know actual picture in the village, in the sub-town, in the town area. Yes, it may be true in city side. But as a whole, we can say that from the last 1 year, there is no schooling. But students are doing well yet. Then the very fundamental or basic question is there any need of schooling? I mean, school is needed, or students should be given an open hand that you can do schooling. You can, if you don't want to attend school, it's all right for you to attend, not to attend school, but you have to attend the examination. Something like talent search examination. You have to face the examination. Then you can get the perfect result. So today's very question is whether school is important or schooling is not important. However, examination you can face. So let's begin the debate today. Right, guys? So those who think that school is not that much important. However, okay, 4 people think that school is not that much important. All right? Okay. Those who think that school is very important. Okay. Today's discussion, I would like to begin with Purva. Go on, Purva.
I want to support that school is not much important because when we went school, so we also take our tuition, and also in this time when our school closed, we also came in tuition to study. So without school, when we carry on our study, so I don't think that school is much important, and also when you carry on our study without school, and also to study our tuition, so why we go to school to study. And also I want to told that
last 30 seconds.
In any prokolpo, and also for the midday meal, school is not open. So when we continue our study last 1 year, so I think that school is not much important to our study. We can prove it that for our self study and also for our tuition, we can continue our study.
According to Mylan, I think that school is important because when we go to school, so in this time many teachers teach us carefully, and they know that we don't know many things, so they understand us like many things when how to behave with anyone. I know that the family members also understand us, but in school also the teachers also extra understand us. And,
so you mean to say that school is good for education, but it's also for discipline, showing unity and so good manners, and of course midday meal is there. So because of all these reasons, school is very important. That's your point is.
And I think that whenever if you think that about the prokolpo that girls only get the Kanyashree, so do you know that there is also a scholarship which is you can get 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees. So it is also doing. So if you think that prokolpo is bad, so it is your opinion, and I want to say that please go and.
Then government scheme that you are talking, prokolpo. Yes. That's government schemes.
And we can get cycle and many things. And if you think that if you are doing the self study, so we are doing a self study, and if you do not understand a math, so in this time how can you what you do? And if you think that you can do the tuition, so many people are very poor. They cannot have money to give them
to go to tuition, afford tuitions.
And they cannot pay the money. So this time the pupils are going to uneducated. So according to me, school is needed in our life because in school it makes regularly learn many discipline, and in school without
Rahul.
school certificate we don't get any other job. And sir, according to Purva's point, Purva said that in school, why go to school, we read in tuition, but the poor people do not able to get tuition. Okay, and in school we get also many facilities like we get midday meal, cycles, and
Loudly,
also
please.
scholarship.
According to me, school is not needed. School is not needed because if you are talking about discipline, then you can also be disciplined from staying at home. And if you are saying about the punctuality, then home is the best way to be punctual, because if you do your work from home in time, then you can be punctual too. And if you are saying about the knowledge, then you should read more and more books to collect knowledge and information about that particular things. And if you think that school is a place of learning, that you are totally wrong, because in schools our teacher came 30 minutes late. So when do you do your class? And I think that school is it is not only a question about the government school, it is also a question about the private schools. If you see the private school, you can also see that it is a light business for the rich people, because rich people can invest money and make schools, and he can income money from that particular school by taking high fees from the students. And some people are also talking about that what about the poor students, because they have no money to it. How can they manage their tuition? So I think that if he wants to study, then he will do job, and he will do a job and carry on his studies. That's all.
According to my line, I want to say that the school is needed. The school is not needed because in the school it is no discipline, because in many schools we can see that seniors rag with the juniors, and many students bunking their classes and make them learn the juniors with smoking. And we can learn with the student tuitions also. In the case of poor people, the poor people in this time, many people have the mobile, and they can learn with the online classes or the internet. And in the class, in the situation of the in this corona situation, we can see that the school is closed, but then also the many students is continues his studying. And the poor people, if I say about the poor people, the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is very poor, but then also he became very successful with the self study. So what is the need of school in now?
According to me, school is needed because in this school we learn regularity, unity, and many things.
A lot of discipline.
And a lot of discipline. And Purva said that you said that in this time, Corona time, we get our tuition and self study. But you know that the boys who are very poor and came to a poor family, it is they are not able to got a tuition, and self study is not. If we go to school, so I have a pressure to complete my course. So if we go to school, so I complete my course.
You mean to say that we learn how to tackle pressure?
Yes.
That will be very helpful for our
Yes.
future life. That's what your point is,
Yes, sir.
basically.
In this Corona time, we have online classes, but we have no any pressure of study. I complete my course in this time. There is nothing in the Corona situation, and if we go to school, then we get many scholarship, which scholarship helps us to our study.
According to me, school is not needed. Because school is in school we cannot concentrate our study, because in outside there are many type of louds, and also in the class the boys are shouting very much, and also many other classes they are shouting, and according to me it is not needed. It is not say only me. It is also say the one most successful and one most genius people, Elon Musk. He said that he does not believe in academic study, and also he said that he do not support that.
He does not.
Sorry, he does not support that school is needed in anyone's life, because in school we learn many type of discipline and etc. But rather we can also learn many type of bad habits and also many bad things. So school is not needed in everybody's life.
But so all people is not Elon Musk. If in our India, all people is Elon Musk. So India is not a poor country.
But Aurangzeb,
Okay, just a minute. Purva, Purva.
you told me and for a attack, so I want to reply you that you told about poor people and also Sion. You told the point Elon Musk. I want to
Reply you.
reply you and I remember you that Elon Musk in one day Elon Musk was a
Poor person.
was a poor person, but now he is a successful person. And you told about that Elon all people don't have Elon
If people are different, then he can also be Elon Musk.
Elon Musk behavior. So I want to tell you that he is
I want to
a
tell you.
people and you are a people. So why you think that all people cannot do like Elon Musk?
Okay, Rahul.
If you have an effort to do a thing, then you can be successful in that particular thing. If you do not have any effort in your life, then you cannot be successful in life.
Yes.
Whether you do study or whether you don't do study.
So I want to reply Rahul that at first he said about the he can do the jobs. So when we admission when you do any jobs in this time there is also admission fee. So how can they give it?
According to Arijita's point, he said that
if he will be super, then he does not have to give any admission fee, and he can also work in any other's house and make the money to do his further studies. And according to me, that I want to say that Elon Musk is the most successful man who sweeps in the road, and he is now the most successful and the number one rich people in the world. So you cannot say that a person cannot be successful.
according to Arijita's point, he said
Okay,
according to
Subhajit,
Arijita's point, he said
Subhajit and then
that he
Sayan.
said that in India everybody is not like Elon Musk. That he was said right point because Elon Musk mindset and our Indian people mindset is fully changed. Elon Musk make a rocket which is reusable, and for this he sell his whole property, his car, house, etc. Then a prime minister support him and give some money. So then we do not run away for this place. He try one more time, and the Indian people they do not face the situation. They are taking the money and run away for other place.
Getting relaxed.
Yes,
That's what
thank
your
you.
point.
And I want to reply my whole and my all opponent person that all told about midday meal and also cycle books. I told you that don't tell any type of useless thing because when you choose your aim that to get any type of cycle and also any book or any type of proposal, so it is not your aim. Choose a aim like Elon Musk and do it to achieve the aim, and also you will get success.
And also
Okay, Sayan. It's up to Sayan.
You said that book is useless in your viewpoint, but Elon Musk
I
book,
don't
then
tell you that book is useless.
So you said the
Please.
cycle book and proper is also useless. You said that. So how can you say that
Government
book
scheme.
is useless? Because Elon Musk read book, then he make a rocket. Okay.
But
I don't told you that. Please understand the point. Then you reply me.
Mistu.
Understand the point. Then you reply.
Okay, just wait. Subhajit and then Mistu. And then Sayan. Subhajit, Mistu and then Sayan.
Please understand the point and then you reply anyone. Okay.
Okay, Subhajit.
yes, Purva said correct because if the school gives cycle, so we must repair it and we must pay 500 or some money.
Then you drive the cycle.
Yes.
So why
Okay,
you
let's
take
come
the
to the
cycle?
point. Let's come to the point. Sayan, your point.
You said the cycle is rebellious. I know a cycle is required.
Let's come to the point whether school is important or whether school is not important. I think we are missing the elephant in the room. Okay, let's come to the track. Okay.
School is needed in our life because in school is according to Pratham you said that poor people the students do online classes mobile, but the poor people do not able to get also mobile and also to get tuition, and school is most important is make us regulars.
That's why
According to me,
Okay. Rahul, go on. Okay, that's right. Only Rahul. Okay, I got your point, guys. Only Rahul. Rahul, I missed your point. Sorry for that. No. Okay, I understand. Rahul. Only Rahul is recorded.
According to me, I think that school education is not needed because in school education we have a limited knowledge, and if we want to be successful, then we have a full knowledge of that particular thing, and we cannot get it from school education or college education. We have to read books and more things, and we should have practical knowledge about that particular thing to be successful in our life in that
And also
particular part.
out of box thinking.
Because I want to
You should
understand
have.
that in this time, present time, we can see that maybe already have the mobile, and if you are saying about the poor, if you are saying about poor, then I can give you the example of the Ishwar Vidyasagar or Leonard Marx. They are also very poor, and by reading books on this self study, and they became successful. So how can you say that?
According to me, school is not needed because in school we are getting some books, and in this book we give a exam. So whole year we read the book. So it is not grow our knowledge, and also many type of thing which is grow up in home study or any tuition.
So if everyone said about Elon Musk, so if you can do in your time, why you want to be in others people? I know that he gets success, but if you want to get success, so it is your choice that you can read the school, and reading school is not a bad thing.
Please, so please understand the point that
Yes.
we want to tell you. We
Want to tell you.
want to tell you that the point that in your self study you can do anything, and also to be be a successful person.
Sometimes we can. So if you
why you think,
reading, you never get success.
so you should think out of box.
Okay, son. Just wait, son.
Do you know that when we get
Each and every time
you can lost a thing, then you can get a thing. Okay.
But think about out of box, and also not for your. It is not necessary that you think about your textbook, and also a type of poem, and also.
It also
story.
creates a very bad environment in
Yes.
our parents that if you don't have a school education, you cannot be successful in life. It doesn't.
Yes, because some days ago I give a talent search exam, and in this exam I get many uncommon questions which I do not listen in my life.
So if you are not listening to
It's
so it is
We cannot
This is
get
the
the
practical
answer.
question. When you read in I want to reply. When you read in college, that time we question this question we also learn. So how can you say that this is uncommon question?
But
But now we are reading in class 9, and if the question is coming in job interview, so how can we give the answer?
Just a minute. I get it. I get it.
In future we can learn many things and over knowledge, but in present time we have to be limitless and learn about the over knowledge. And with the school, the knowledge is limited. But if we study with the self study, then we will be limitless with the knowledge.
According to me, that school is needed, and Pratham, you said that if we be successful in our life, so we have a lot of read book and many things. But I know that if you be a successful man in your life, then you don't study in this time. You get a job in a garage and many places. Then you in this age, if you lot of money and
So money is not